Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create some quick and easy summer decor. This is going to be a candle vase, or you can use it as a flower vase. So these are some of the items I'm going to be using today. 2 large round vases and 1 small round vase, and I'll be using those mirrors from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start with this glittered lace that I picked up from Amazon, and I will leave the link below for this, guys, because this is really nice and you should check it out. It has large pieces of glitter. Actually, they're different sized pieces of glitter, and it's really nice. So I'm going to use this today as like an overlay for our vases, just to create something quick, easy, and at the same time it's going to look really nice. Something good for the summer. So I'm just going to take the lace and place it on the vase, and I'm just going to cut it down to the size of the vase. I'm going to leave a little bit hanging over, just a little bit, because I want the lace to sit flush to the vase. So I'm going to be using a little bit of my Aleene the Ultimate as my adhesive today, and with a damp paintbrush dampened with water, I'm going to just spread that glue all over the vase, and then I'm going to lay that glittered lace on top. And once it's in place, I am going to use the paintbrush with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to like kind of pat it down to make sure it sticks really well. So now that it's dry, it looks really nice. And yes, the edges do look rough, but I am going to trim those back a little bit where needed. So right now I'm going to start with the vase that has the extra piece of fabric hanging off. Yeah, now that it's dry, I'm just going to cut that excess away. So for my decoration on the edges of the vase, I'm going to use this gem mesh that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and this is really nice, guys. And I'll find, if I can't find this in Amazon, I'll link you to something that's very, very similar. And this is going to be really nice. I love the colors. The colors do match back to the glitter that's on the lace, and this is going to look really, really nice. So right now I'm just going to cut a single strip, and I'm going to use a little hot glue and attach it to the top edge of the vase and at the bottom. Beautiful lace covered vase. You can put a candle in it. You can use this as a floral vase. You can put a little water inside and a real flower. This is really nice. I'm going to use this for candles because I want to use this on a table, and I love the way it looks. So guys, thanks so much for joining me today. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. You all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.